Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and listen, don't be alarmed, my Gears 3 fans, don't be alarmed. I got a special request to do Android Wear watch faces, so hey, I'm gonna honor it and I'm gonna send this through. So let's check it out. Let's see how many people are actually still doing Android Wear or even searching for Android Wear smartwatch faces. Cool? Alright, let's get this show on the road. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and yes, it's all about Android Wear right now. Now again, this was a special request. My Gears 3 fans, listen, just hold tight. Just ride through this one with me. Let's just check this one out, right? Now the name of this watch face is called Tour. It's spelled T-O-O-R. Now this is Android Wear, at least one of Android Wear baddest watch faces I've seen yet. Now it's been a long time since I played with Android Wear, but since the special request came in, I decided to go ahead and check it out. And I had to dig deep in order to find it. They're really not making any new watch faces, so that's why I'm kind of curious as to how many people are really digging into Android Wear and actually searching for Android Wear smartwatch faces. So we decided to check this one out. Now I was going to do more than one, but because of the features and functions, and I forgot all about Android Wear, I think Android Wear makes the baddest watch faces out there in the market. That's just in my opinion. Now hit me in the comment section down below, let me know your thoughts. If you think the Gears 3 Tizen makes better watch faces, then hit me and let me know. Either way, let's just check this watch face out, right? Now first off, I'm liking the look. The design is tight. You can see the animation of the second hands at the top. So right here, you got the hour in the middle. Over here, you got information on your steps. On the right hand side, you got an icon for your weather. At the top, you got the icon, and you also get info on the weather. I like that it has the date right up under the hour. Down at the bottom, you get info on your minutes, right? So this is tight. Now, this particular watch face is not interactive, and that's cool, but let's check out what it offers. Now, in watch settings, here are a few things. I'm not going to go through it all. They have a long list of things you can customize, and customization and conveniences are probably two of the most important things about a smartwatch, right? That we would like to have. So if you want to change that from 12 to 24, you can. If you want to show the date or not show the date, you can. Same thing with the animation of the seconds. I like that. And the list goes on and on and on. And I'm loving this one. Now that's just in watch settings, right? And you still have more customization to go through a whole list. But let's check out the color. Now the color is what I like. Now I've already have it customized. So we're going to start from scratch. Change the color. Let's change the color to, let's say, blue. Okay, so what it does is it changes the whole thing to blue, right? But from there, you can still customize it. So if I want to customize the hour, I like white because I need to be able to see it. Same thing for the minutes, set it. Same thing for the seconds. Now, this is just the way I would customize it. You can customize it however you like. Now, another thing that I like is that you can do the same thing with the date. Let's say the date I want to make red. I can make the date red, right? Make it stand out a little bit. Same thing with the left gauge hand. Check this out, right? We're gonna do this one. Let's do it white. Let's do it white. Got it. And then we're gonna do the right one. Let's do that one white as well. Okay. Did we get it? Let's go through it again. Okay, now let's go down and do the left gauge glow. So this one here, I want to do that color. Now you see the way it highlights it over there? I like that. I really do like that. I think that's pretty cool. Now, like I said, you can customize this however you like. So you can do the same thing when it's in ambient mode as well. We're not going to go through that, but the same customization that you just seen here, you can also do it in the always on mode, and I thought that was pretty slick. We're not done yet. Let's check out the dials, right? So now you got steps on one side, on the left, on the right you have your weather icon. So if you want to change that, they give you a few options in order to change it. I'm gonna put watch battery over here. And then over on the right gauge, let's go ahead and do weather temp. And so I'm gonna do weather temp over there. So you got some customization, and I think that the Gears 3 Tizen developers, I think they can do something with this. And if you can, any developers watching this video, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know if this is possible. Now, I'm not done yet. We got a couple more things to check out. Now, let's talk about the font. Font is important, and Android Wear is definitely good for that. So I can change the font to whatever I want, and it has tons of font in which you can change from. And I'm telling you, this is unbelievable. I'm loving the look, right? So now you can change. You can also put in your steps, whether you want it to come from your phone or your watch. That'll be up to you. And that's pretty much it. I like the look. You got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. I think that for 2018, we can take it to another level. I think. That's why I'm asking the developers. Just hit me in the comment section below. Just let me know if it's possible. I think it is. And it's just me. But everybody else, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. First of all, did you like this watch face? Second, what did you think about the customization? And third, would you like to see some of these features on the Gears 3, Gears 2, and the Gears Sport? Alright, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Hit the like button on the way out. If you want to see more videos that I drop on this channel, then make sure you hit the notification bell up top. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.